Hello everyone, welcome today, new day, yes, on Wednesday, February the 21st, 2022, we have here in this daily newspaper 3 regular Sudokus, Binary, the Medium Sudoku, and a Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And there is also in this newspaper an additional. Let me show you the additional with 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic, the binary, and another tectonic. So 6 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve, and also these 3 regular puzzles. So total of 6 puzzles for today. And the day and the news of today, yes, told you yesterday the war has begun. Yes, all the tanks are in Ukraine. The start of World War III? I do not know. World War III. Well, I'm not happy with the war, but I think you are also not happy. Not happier than the corona crisis. Anyway, I hope this will be not so long for the war. Yeah, I hope this will end very soon. Okay, let me start with the first one. First puzzle is a binary puzzle number 4166, I believe. Yes, 4166. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then let me see. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Alright. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a medium Sudoku, and we'll be see you then. Bye bye for now.